welcome to this step-by-step guide for filling out Madras School of Economics application form. Ensure you have all the required documents ready in the specified format and dimension. They have been mentioned on the screen. Kindly keep them handy before we start the process because a lot of documents are required and in a particular format, dimension, and in a particular name as well. So please keep them handy before we start. Once you are ready, let's begin with the filling out of the form. Click on the application link which we have provided in the description box below. If you have any questions or query, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And let's start now. Please click on the application link, and once you have clicked on the application link, this is what will open up. And firstly, you will have to register yourself. Okay, if you have not already registered. So click here for new registration. As you can see, I'm going to click here and fill in the details required. So fill in your first name, confirm your first name. Then they are asking for middle name. If you have one, please note them down, write it down. And since I don't have a middle name, I'm going to move on to the last name. So again, you will have to fill in your last name. So I'm filling up my last name and then you have to confirm your last name as well. Okay. Once done, you will have to fill in the mobile number and then retype it to confirm. So everything here requires you to confirm it. So you will have to type in 2 times. Then you have to type in your email ID. Please be careful. It does not require you to fill it in one box. Okay. So here you have to first write the email and the domain name separately. So you have to choose if it's not applicable, if it does not contain the option that is the domain name for your email ID, please click on others and then fill in the domain. Then again confirm your email ID, but this time all together, which means the ID and the domain name together. Once done, please fill in the security code. And that's done. So now click on save and next. So when you click on it, you will get a pop-up box and click on OK. So your registration is done. They have logged in you automatically. Just in case you feel like you will not be able to complete the process in a go, please make sure to save this registration ID and password of yours. Once done, please read the guidelines if you still face issues. Okay, we are going to attach this document in the description box also. Okay, and please make sure that you're properly seated with a clean background because we will also have to capture our real time image here, not just upload but also capture. So that's a slightly different thing that's not applicable for other forms. So here first I'm going to upload the image. So please choose a file and upload your photo. After you have uploaded your photo, you have to capture your image. So you can click on capture photo and capture your image. So after you have captured your image, please confirm that this is your valid photo. Then upload your scanned signature. It should not be in capital. Please be sure. And then confirm that too. And after you have uploaded your picture, captured your image, uploaded your signature, click on next. Okay, then we have 3 categories to fill in: your basic details, your qualification, and your preference. Please choose the admission program you're applying for. Since I am applying for MA Economics, so I'm going to choose MA program. Then choose your category, and you again get a pop-up. Please read because it wants to just confirm whether you're filling up your correct category, because later on it will not allow you to change. Then, are you a person with benchmark disability? For me, it's no. So I'm going to click on no. If it's yes for you, please choose likewise. And then I'll, since rest of the questions are disability related, so I'm not going to fill it up. Okay. So I'm now coming to the part which is not grayed out, which is, do you want to apply under defense quota? So since it's not applicable for me, I'm going to click on no. Then, am I a Kashmiri migrant? No. My nationality, Indian, it's filled up already. And my center of examination, where you want to give the exam. So for me, it's Kolkata. Then you have to fill in your date of birth. Okay, so fill in your date of birth and make sure, you know, you, uh, you follow it well, because people who are born before 2000 cannot fill in this form. Then choose your gender, your marital status, your father's name, your mother's name, your spouse if you have any, then given your address, fill in the district, then choose your state, enter your PIN code, and then this was our correspondence address. Okay. So now, if your permanent is same as correspondence, click on this box. If not, fill in the details likewise. And then we are done with this category, and it tells you that you will have to pay 1200 admission fee. Sorry, application fee. So you can validate your details or simply click on save and next. Then now we will have to fill in our qualification details. So please make sure that you have all your mark sheets handy. So for class 10 degree subject or stream, since I was from CBSE and we do not have any particular degree subject or stream, I'm simply going to fill in CBSE. But if you're from ICSE, you can fill in commerce or science if you have chosen science in class 9, or you have chosen commerce in class 9. Okay, then have to type in the name of school, college, or board. So I'm simply typing CBSE here. You can type in school's name as well. Then the day I received my date of passing. So please make sure you have it on your mark sheet. Then the aggregate marks means the score. Okay. So firstly, you have to choose whether yours was CGPA system or aggregate marks. For me, it was aggregate marks. Then the marks that I scored, and then the total marks. Maximum marks means the total marks. And then you will also have to write down your percentage. Make sure you're writing at least two numbers after the decimal point. And then your division, first division, second, or pass or distinction. Then for CBSE, again choose others and then fill in your stream. For me, it was commerce. My board was again CBSE. Then whether you're appearing or you have appeared. Why are they asking this? Because this form is applicable even for BA people. All right. But since we are filling it for MA, we are already in college, so we have passed already. Okay. Then again, the date of passing, then choose aggregate marks or CGPA. For me, it's aggregate marks. Then again, the marks obtained, maximum marks, your percentage, and your class. Then come to graduation. So, if whatever field you are in, please choose the relevant one. So, I have done it from Calcutta University and I have passed already. If you are appearing, please choose appear. Then aggregate marks or CGPA. For me, it's aggregate marks again. then your class, which is distinction for me. If you have any other qualification, you can fill it in the fourth row. Then, have you studied maths at plus level or not? They're asking you yes or no. I have, so I'm clicking on yes. Then you have to write the languages known to you. For me, it's English and Hindi, so I'm going to fill in English and Hindi. And then they are asking you whether you can read, write, and speak on it. So you can choose the relevant boxes and then click on save and next. Then you have to choose the program in the order of preference. So I want to apply for financial accounts, then general accounts, and then actuarial. So I've chosen it likewise. Please make sure that you choose in the order of preference. Once you are done, please make sure for each of the category, which is basic, qualification, and preference, before moving on to save and next, you are clicking on this button, which is validate your details. So that if there is any error or any box that you have left unfilled, you know, human error possible. So many fields you have to fill in. So they are going to tell you, and so that you don't face any issue, as you move ahead. So always click on validate your details for each of the column for basic, qualification, and preference. So when I click on it, they're going to look at to my form. If all is fine, they're going to say verified successfully, and then only click on save and next. Okay, so this shows your form, your entire form. Then you have to click on I agree. Please verify all the details. Okay, otherwise you can go back and change the details. Since I'm satisfied with my details, I'm just going to move ahead and fill in the security code and then click on complete registration. Okay. Once done, you will now have to upload two more things, which is your left thumb impression and your handwritten declaration. Okay. Once done, click on the security code, type in the security code, then click on save and next. And after this, you will be taken to the payment scale after a final security code that you have to type in. So here you're taken to the payment gateway. Please enter the details. And with this, we are done with the form filling of MSc. So that's it. And you have successfully filled out the application form. Please review your submission carefully before finalizing. And all the best. And we'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you so much.